Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of Knowledge Sharing. Before I continue, like us, like and follow our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments and share our video for more interesting topics. Today we are looking at this question and it says, find all real numbers x for which 8 raised to the power of x plus 27 raised to the power of x all over 12 raised to the power of x plus 18 raised to the power of x equals to 7 all over 6. So in this case, we are going to find the value of x. So we have here solution. So here we are given 8 raised to the power of x plus 27 raised to the power of x all over 12 raised to the power of x plus 18 raised to the power of x equals to 7 all over 6. So here we have different numbers. We want to break them down into different bases as it implies. So here 8, we know that 8 is 4 times 2 all raised to the power of x. So in the place of 8 here, we put 4 times 2. So in the place of 27, we have here 9 times 3 all raised to the power of x all over 12 here is the same thing as 4 times 3 all raised to the power of x. Then plus 18. 18 is 9 times 2 all raised to the power of x equals to 7 all over 6. We can further break this down. So 4 here is 2 to the power of 2. 9 is 3 to the power of 2. So we impute that we have 2 to the power of 2 times 2 all raised to the power of x plus 3 to the power of 2 times 3 all raised to the power of x all over 2 to the power of 2 for 4 times 3 all raised to the power of x. Then plus 9 here we have 3 to the power of 2 times 2 all raised to the power of x all equals to 7 all over 6. So in this case, we have all to the power of x. So we are going to distribute the x into each of these units. So here will become 2 for this one, 2 raised to the power of 2 all to the power of 2x, because x times 2 is 2x, times 2 raised to the power of x plus here we have 3 to the power of 2, then times x, we have 2x times 3 to the power of x all over, we have here 2 to the power of 2 times x times 3 to the power of x. We distribute x to each of these numbers. Then we have plus, we have 3 to the power of 2 x times 2 to the power of x all equals to 7 all over 6. So this is what we have. So now we have 2 to the power of 2x and we also have 3 to the power of 2x. So in this case, we can interchange. When we have a to the power of m all to the power of n is the same thing as a to the power of n m. We can interchange the two exponents. So here will become, we have here 2 to the power of x all to the power of 2. Then we have times 2x. This for this, we have plus 3 to the power of x all to the power of 2 times 3x all over, we have here 2 to the power of x all to the power of 2 times 3x plus we have 3 to the power of x all to the power of 2 times 2x equals to 7 all over 6. Because what we've done is for us to change 2 and x. We still have the same value. So in this case, we have 2 to the power of x and we have 3 to the power of x. We say let a equals to 2 to the power of x and also b equals to 3 to the power of x. So we are going to substitute the value of a as 2 to the power of x in this equation. So here will become, for here we have a to the power of 2, because 2 to the power of x we said is a, times here we have a, then plus we have 3 to the power of x we said b, plus b to the power of 2 times b all over, for here we have, this is a to the power of 2 times b plus here we have b to the power of 2 times here we have a equals to 7 all over 6. So this is what it becomes. We can expand this or multiply it out. So here a to the power of 2 times a, we have a to the power of 3 plus we have b to the power of 2 times b, we have b to the power of 3 all over, we have a to the power of 2 times b, we have a to the power of 2b plus the same thing here. Here we can interchange, here we have a b to the power of 2 equals to 7 all over 6. Don't forget, that is 7 all over 6. So in this case, we have a to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 3. We can write that as a plus b into a squared plus b squared minus ab. That is what it becomes. All over. In this case, we have ab. ab is the factors of this. We can factorize. So we have ab into ab here will be a plus b equals to, don't forget, 7 all over 6. So this is what it becomes. So now we have a plus b here and we have a plus b here. Two of them can cancel each other. This cancel this. So we are now left with. So we need to clean this. So in this case, as we cancel here, we are now left with a to the power of 2 plus b to the power of 2 minus ab all over ab equals to 7 all over 6. So here we have a fraction and the denominator is ab. So we can divide all through all this by ab. So here will become a to the power of 2 all over ab plus b to the power of 2 all over ab minus ab all over ab all over ab all over ab. We are dividing both the numerator and the denominator, all of them by ab, equals to 7 all over 6. Here, ab here cancel here, ab here cancel here. Here, a cancel here 1, a cancel here remain a. B cancel here 1, B cancel here remain b. This one cancel here and this one cancel here. We are now left with here remain a all over b plus here remain b all over a minus 1. This is 1 equals to 7 all over 6 because this is all over 1. So we can do away with 1. So now we have a all over b plus b all over a minus 1 equals to 7 all over 6. So in this case, we can say let a all over b equals to t, or we can say let a all over b equals to m. So here we have a all over b, we will put m for this case, then plus we have here b all over a. It's the same thing as 1 all over m, because when we have a all over b, it's the same thing as 1 all over a all over b. B here is the same thing as 1 divided by a all over b. Here, before you put a multiplication sign, it's going to be 1 times b all over a. So here, you can see that this is the same thing as this one. So a all over b is the same thing as 1 all over a all over b. That's why we have 1 all over m. Minus 1, we bring down minus 1 equals to 7 all over 6. You can see that we have a fraction 1 all over m here, and we have 7 all over 6. So the denominator here is, the LCM of the denominator here is going to be 6m. So what we are going to do is to multiply all through by the LCM, which is 6m. So this will become 6m times m plus 6m times 1 all over m minus 1 times 6m equals to 7 all over 6 times 6m. So in this case, we have here 6m squared, and here m will cancel here 1, m will cancel here 1. Here will be 6m, and here 6 will cancel here 1, and 6 will cancel here 1. So we need to clean this. So here we can move over to this other side. So we have 6m times m here. We have 6m squared. We have plus 6. Then we have minus 6m. Then equals to, here we have 7m. In this case, we can collect like tape. So here will become 6m squared. Here will be plus 6 minus 6m. This will transpose into this other side. We have minus 7m equals to 0. So here will become, this is 6m squared plus 6 minus 6m minus 7m will give us minus 13m equals to 0. In this case, we can rearrange this because it is a quadratic equation. So this will become 6m squared minus 13m plus 6 equals to 0. So here we can multiply 6 by 6m squared, give us 36. So 36, two factors of 36 that when we add or subtract will give us 13 is 9 and 4. So here will become 6m squared minus 9m minus 4m plus 6 equals to 0. So here, between here and here, 3 is a factor. Okay, 3m is a factor. We can factorize with 3m. So we have 3m into 2m minus 3. Then we have here 2 is a factor. We have minus 2 into 2m minus 3 equals to 0. So we can take the product of the parentheses and also one of the parentheses, which is 3m minus 2 into 2m minus 3 equals to 0. So it is either the first parenthesis equals to 0 or the second parenthesis equals to 0. So we take the first one, which is 3m minus 2 equals to 0. Therefore, 3m equals to, this will transpose into this other side, 2. Therefore, our m equals to 2 all over 3. That is the first value of m. So we take the second one here, which is 2m minus 3 equals to 0. 2m equals to, this will transpose into this other side, become 3. Therefore, our m equals to 3 all over 2. So we have the true value of m, which is, the first one is 2 all over 3, and the second one is 3 all over 2. So we recall that we said let a all over b equals to m. And we also said that our a is 2 to the power of x and b is 3 to the power of x. So we are going to substitute that. So we need to clean this. Here we recall that we said m equals to a all over b. Also our a equals to 2 raised to the power of x, and also b equals to 3 to the power of x. So in this case, therefore, m will be equals to, for a here is 2 to the power of x, all over for b here is 3 to the power of x. So this is the value of m that we had before. So here in this case, we had here for m1, which is m equals to 2 all over 3 from here. Then the value of m here is 2x all over 3. So m here will be, we have 2 to the power of x all over 3 to the power of x equals to 2 all over 3. So this is what we have. So in this case, we can write this as, this will become 2 all over 3 all to the power of x equals to 2 all over 3. So this is what we have. So now, okay, we can clean this. Here, as we have this, 2 all over 3 all to the power of x is same thing as 2 all over 3 is same thing as 2 all over 3 all to the power of 1. So here we have the same base here. Therefore, we can equate this as equal to 1. Therefore, our x, which is x1, equals to 1. So this is the value of x, x1 that we have. So for m2, we have m2 equals to 3 all over 2. So as we said, that we have m here equals to 2 to the power of x all over 3 to the power of x. So this will become 2 to the power of x all over 3 to the power of x equals to 3 all over 2. So this can also give us 2 all over 3 all to the power of x equals to 3 all over 2 all to the power of 1. So in this case, so we can clean this. So here, as we said, we have 2 all over 3 all to the power of x equals to 3 all over 2 all to the power of 1. So we have 2 all over 3 here, and we also have 3 all over 2 here. It is not the same base. But here, for us to make this equals to this, here will become 2 all over 3 will become 1 all over 3 all over 2. That means this will become 2 all over 3 is the same thing as 2 all over 3 all to the power of minus 1, because we put 1 all over 3 all over 2. Because here, if you can expand this, we'll have 1 divided by 3 all over 2. Here will become 1 times 2, because here will go up and this one will come down. 1 will be 1 times 2 all over 3, because when we change division to multiplication sign, 2 will go up and 3 will come down. So if you multiply this, you have 2 all over 3. So that is why we have 2 all over 3 raised to the power of minus 1. So now, 2 all over 3 all to the power of x is the same thing as 2 all over 3 all to the power of minus 1. So that is what it becomes. Here we have the same base, so we can equate this as this. Therefore, our x2 equals to minus 1. So this is the value of x2, and also this is the value of x1, which is x equals to 1 or minus 1, and it satisfies this expression. Here we can clean this. So here let us do a little check. As we said, say check, we say x equals to 1 or minus 1. So from our equation, where we have from here, this our question. So now we said x equals to 1. So now we'll be asked for x equals to 1, 8 to the power of 1 plus 27 to the power of 1 all over 12 to the power of 1 plus 18 to the power of 1 equals to 7 all over 6. You know that anything a to the power of 1 equals to a. Anything raised to the power of 1 equals to that same thing. So we have here 8 plus 27 all over 12 plus 18 equals to 7 all over 6. 8 plus 27 is going to give us 35. 12 plus 18 is going to give us 30 all over what? Here is 7 all over 6. So 5 will cancel here, we have 7, and 5 will cancel here, 6. Therefore, we have 7 all over 6 equals to 7 all over 6. So the value of x equals to 1 satisfy this expression. Let us check for x equals to minus 1. So here, from here, x equals to 1, minus 1, we have 8 raised to the power of minus 1 plus 27 raised to the power of minus 1 all over 12 raised to the power of minus 1 plus 18 raised to the power of minus 1 equals to 7 all over 6. In this case, we can multiply all through by minus 1 by saying that 8 raised to the power of minus 1 times minus 1 plus 27 raised to the power of minus 1 times minus 1 all over 12 to the power of minus 1 times minus 1 plus 18 raised to the power of minus 1 times minus 1 equals to 7 all over 6. You know, minus 1 times minus 1 is 1. So here will become, this is the same thing as 8 plus 27 all over 12 plus 18, which is equal to, this time, this plus this give us 35. This plus this give us 30. Here, 5 will cancel here, 7. 5 will cancel here, 6. Therefore, 7 all over 6 equals to 7 all over 6. So, x equals to 1 and also x equals to minus 1 satisfy that question that we were given. If you like what we are doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment and share our video for more interesting topics. Thank you.